Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Causal Inference with AI, Understanding Cause and Effect. Imagine you're a detective. You don't just want to know what happened. E.g., the window was broken. You want to know why it happened. E.g., a rock was thrown. Causal inference is like that, AI figuring out the why behind events, not just the what. We'll learn how AI can help us understand cause and effect. Let's say ice cream sales and crime rates both go up in summer. Are they related? Correlated? Yes. Does eating ice cream cause crime? Probably not. This is correlation. Things happening together. Versus causation. One thing directly causing another. AI helps us distinguish between these. Think of a hidden player affecting both ice cream sales and crime: hot weather. Hot weather leads to both more ice cream eating and more opportunities for crime. These hidden players are confounding variables, and AI needs to account for them. We use diagrams to show how things are related. An arrow from A to B means A causes B. These diagrams help AI see the relationships between variables, like a roadmap to understanding cause and effect. AI uses techniques like Bayesian networks and causal forests to analyze data and discover causal relationships. Think of these as advanced algorithms that let the AI sift through data to determine the true causes. We'll explore these briefly without delving into the complex maths. Causal inference helps make better predictions. Instead of just predicting what will happen, we can understand why it will happen. This allows for better decision-making in areas like healthcare, marketing, and more. AI isn't perfect. Causal inference models can be biased if the data is biased. We need to consider ethical implications and the potential for misuse of these powerful tools. We've scratched the surface. Now you can start exploring Python libraries and tools designed for causal inference. This opens up a new dimension in data analysis and AI applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.